Dahil maging ang sequence of events at mass assignments tulad ng pagbibig ng cord, veil at offerings, gulatan din lahat kung sino ang gagawa. Ang lahat, planadong-planado na pala.
Yun doon sa mga nagulat, huwag kayong mag-alala. Ako rin. Ako rin, na-victim din ako nung dalawa.
At hanggang sa reception sa Batangas na mahanap lamang sa pamamagitan ng isang mapang mala-treasure hunt ang concept. Ang lahat, pantay-pantay na naging audience lamang sa pag-unfold ng tila isang napaka-romantikong pelikula na wala ng katapusan ang pagbuhos ng saya at luha. Sa wakas, naisa katuparan na ng tahimik ang pinaka-ingranding kasal ng taon.
Sabi nga nila, we want very private.
Dahil sa katuparan ng kanilang dream wedding, Julian Santos at Ryan Agoncillo, pasok sa Labas Intriga Hotlist. At ang sa naganap na silent wedding, live, eksklusibo, Mommy Carol Santos, ilalantad na ang tunay na saloobin tungkol sa kasalan.
Hey, Mami, saya may
At Ryan at Juday, ang unang pagharap sa sambayanan matapos ang tahimik na kasalan mula sa engranding All-Star Manila reception nila kagabi.
First night, totoo ang kasabihan na walang nagaganap sa unang gabi.
Pero masaya yung unang tanghali.
Sa pagbabalik na ng Labas. Alam mo, ang ganda ng kasal nila kahit hindi ako invited. Pero parang sa nakikita ko, what? Hindi, sa nakikita ko kasi talagang nagmamahalan sila, di ba Chris? Bihira na talaga at this day and age, yung talagang hanggang altar, maamo.
Ano ba, marami naman nagmamahalan?
Marami nagmamahalan, marami na naghihiwalay. At saka, dapat kusa.
Hindi, yung kunyari antok na antok ka tapos ginising ka, tapos gusto mo magsungit, tapos smile ka na lang.
Nobody's a commitment you do every day, di ba?
Yes. And actually I mentioned
You were
this
saying
on...
that the wedding was beautiful.
You were not invited to the Rockwell one?
No. It's okay.
Ay, di naman sila nakatrabaho eh.
Oo naman, okay lang. Ang point ko doon, you know, for them being such big stars, you know, they really went out of their way to make it private. Kasi gusto nila yung kasal nila
Silent, as
solid.
Father Kaluwag would say.
Oo, yung
Silent
talagang
wedding.
kapiling lang yung pamilya, yung mga close friends. Talagang sinikap nila para magawa yon, para magawa yung dream wedding nila. So I'm very, very
Ito.
happy.
At bilang pagbabalik na mga kaibigan, yung ating napanood ilang araw na yung wedding, was really fit for showbiz royalty. I like the playfulness of the whole thing. Yung, alam mo yun, yung seryoso, solemn, pero may konting kapilyuhan.
Hindi, tsaka
I love
nakikita mo
it.
yung pagmamahalan that you know it's not for show. You know na totoo.
Alam mo, I keep looking at Rufa and I like her look today kasi ang dating niya para kang Brazilian goddess.
No. Thank you.
In fairness.
Ako Laurel for my outfit, so let
Wait,
me
but
for my makeup and Brent Sowers
But
for
if
my
you look
hair.
like a Brazilian goddess, is there a Brazilian god?
Ha?
May mga South American kang kakilala ngayon?
Wala nga eh.
Di wala.
Wala.
No.
Ano mga kakilala mo?
Iba-ibang lahi.
Pero wala taga South
Pero
America.
wala taga South America.
Okay, congratulate natin si Juday at Ryan.
Yes.
Kami lahat dito sa The Buzz, ABS-CBN family, congratulations, mabuhay kayong dalawa.
Thank you very much. We'll take the opportunity,
Go ahead,
diba,
Chrissy.
na kahapon, bago nag-start yung reception, they gave us about a full hour and a half para magchikahan.
Wow.
Pwede ko na babanggitin? Oo naman. Ayun.
Yes,
diba?
and which is going to be part of tomorrow's SNM.
And so, ang ganda. Very informative and di ba boy, inspiring.
Inspiring and very real. Yes,
Can
Rufa.
I ask Chris something?
Go ahead.
Kasi you've been in the news. Diba? That you were sad lately.
Ayun.
Mamaya natin pag-uusapan yan.
Okay.
Pero yung about the sadness, yung about that whole okay na yun. Tapos na. Di ba,
Okay.
Boy? Pero I'm worried. I'm not so myself because nga, my mom's in the hospital now. The surgery will be, I'm not allowed to say the exact day. The doctor is here. The equipment is here. And I'm going there straight from Buzz kasi talk ako magbantay today until tomorrow. And syempre, di ba, pag mommy mo yan, like kagabi hindi talaga ako nakatulog, kinakabahan talaga.
Tanong nga ni Chris sa akin,
Dasal ako ng dasal.
bago mag-umpisa natin palabas, sabi niya, when nanay went through that operation, the cataract operation, nakatulog ka ba? Sabi ko hindi. So,
I'm
yun
sure
ang kanya pinagdadaanan.
hysterectomy, di ba, mo?
Remember?
Kayo, and
Iba
ang
pag
dad
magulang.
mo.
Iba pag
Kaya
magulang.
sinabi mo sa akin, Kristen, sabi mo, Rufy, magsimba ka.
Oh,
last
I told
week.
Right.
you, pray for my mom.
Oh, hindi ka naman nagsimba, nag-Bible study
I
pa
love
ako.
that. Thank you.
Wait, I just want to say something. I really admire you
It
for...
doesn't mean I don't like them anymore, that they don't like me.
Right, right. And it doesn't mean that you cannot be happy for the couple.
Of course.
Di ba? So,
Birthday ko, di ba lang i-invite ko? Okay, mag-alit
we respect that. Di ba? Let's say hello to our audience. Which is our beloved Dean, Dr. Perita Escobar of Butuan Doctors College, and to all faculty members and staff from the Butuan Doctors College Affiliates 2009. Welcome to Labag. Maraming salamat.